Hello everyone. I just want to do a quick review on multiplying polynomials, trinomials, binomials, all that good stuff. So let's just take a look at this example. We got 5x minus 4 times 2x plus 1. Yesterday we talked about the area diagram. You can absolutely continue to do that. This is the underlying math part of it. I think this is super helpful, as I said in the past. So on the left side we have 5x minus 4. On the top we have 2x plus 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the area of each rectangle. 5x times 2x, that gives us 10x squared. Then on the right one it's 5x times 1, which is just 5x. On the bottom here we have negative 4 times 2x, which is negative 8x. And then over here we have negative 4 times 1, which is negative 4. And then what we do is we take what we found and we combine them together. So we are left with 10x squared plus 5x minus 8x minus 4. We can combine those two middle terms, so we're left with 10x squared minus 3x minus 4. And that is our simplified solution for multiplying these two binomials. Now I'm going to show you one other way. I'm actually going to show you two other ways just in case you feel more comfortable with it. So really what's happening is you're multiplying each term of the first binomial to each term of the second binomial. So what I could do is I could take the 5x and multiply it by 2x plus 1. And I can take the negative 4 and multiply that by the 2x plus 1. So I can use my knowledge of the distributive property as well to complete this, and this is going to be exactly the same as the process that we just did. So 5x times 2x is 10x squared, right? 5x times 1 is 5x. Then we have negative 4 times 2x, which is negative 8x. Then we have negative 4 times 1, which is negative 4. And as you can see, it's exactly the same setup. So that is another option that you can use. And then 3, again, I don't like this because I don't like the acronym FOIL, because I don't feel like the math is actually being discussed or used properly here, but this is a method that does work. It does not always work. It does not work with bigger things like trinomials, and I'll show you that in a second. So F means the first one. So first means these, 5x and 2x. So you would multiply those together. And then outer means the outer ones, which is the 5x and the 1, which is actually just what happened in number 2. And then the inners are negative 4 and 2x. And then the lasts, which is negative 4 and plus 1. Right, so again, this becomes 10x squared plus 5x minus 8x minus 4, and it's the same answer that we had before. All of these ways are fine to use. There's nothing wrong with either of these. You can use whichever one you're most comfortable with. Now let's take a look at doing something a little bit more complicated, but we're still gonna use our method. So let's take the product of 3x plus 4 times x squared plus 2x minus 1. And if we were going to use our array model this time, we have 2 on the width, which is 3x and 4. And on the top we have 3 terms because it's a trinomial. And we have x squared, 2x minus 1. So this becomes 3x times x squared, which is 3x cubed. This is 3x times 2x, which is 6x squared. This is 3x times negative 1, which is negative 3x. This is 4 times x squared. This is 4 times 2x, which is 8x. This is 4 times negative 1, which is negative 4. And again, we take the ones that are fully simplified, and we combine them. So we have 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 4x squared plus 8x minus 4. So we want to combine the like terms, so 3x cubed plus 10x squared plus 5x minus 4. Okay. Now, you could use that same method that we did just previous, using the knowledge of the distributive property, right? So you're going to first take that first term, 3x, and you're going to multiply it by everything in that trinomial, x squared plus 2x minus 1, using the distributive property, and then you're going to take that plus 4 and distribute it to the x squared plus 2x minus 1, right? So here, it's the same process. You're just doing the distributive property. So 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Then you have 3x minus 1, which is minus 3x. Same thing on the other side. Plus 4 times x squared is positive 4x squared. 4 times 2x is 8x. And then 4 times negative 1 is just negative 4. And you still have the same combination as we did before. So you have 3x cubed plus 10x squared plus 5x minus 4. And you're good to go. And that's it. You cannot use FOIL here because it's not, you only use FOIL for a binomial, so it's a little different. That's why I don't like it. It doesn't work for everything. The reason is because there's no, it doesn't talk about that middle term in the trinomial for FOIL. But anyway, these are great. Either one is fine. I've had students in the past love the distributive property one, which is choice number 2 in these. And I've had students that love the area model, which is choice number 1. Truly up to you, whatever you feel most comfortable with. And that's pretty much it. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.